Kana beneni Maori, namaste, ni hao. My name is Sute Paiteke and I am the Center Manager for Káute Pasifika Early Learning Center. Maori, whakalofalahi atu, noa ia, nisa pulavinaka, kia orana, malo elelei, talofa lava, and warm Pacific greetings. Welcome to Káute Pasifika Early Learning Center. We are located in the heart of Káute Pasifika Village in Frankton, Hamilton, where families and communities can access health, education, employment, and social services. Here in our Early Learning Center, we create a space where children and families feel safe, supported, and connected. What makes our center special is the way culture and learning come together. We promote Pasifika languages, Māori, and English through everyday experiences, nurturing our whānau. Our children grow as confident learners, strong in their identity, language, and culture. A proverb we hold closely is ko tuku tokinga e mau ai tuku hiko hikumanga. My culture and language consolidate my learning environment. This is reflected in the way we greet each other, the way we gather, the way we share food, and the way we learn together every day. Today, around 60 families are a part of our Kaute ELC community. We support children and families, especially Pasifika whānau, through meaningful learning, caring relationships, and a strong sense of belonging. We are open Monday to Friday from 7:30 to 5:30 p.m. and we are here to support our families and our community. We'd love to connect, get in touch to visit or learn more about us.